Hi everyone, welcome to this Twinmotion tips and tricks video. Today we'll be looking at how you can import a custom background and place it behind your project. So first off, let me go inside my import doc and click on import. I will load a .fbx file that I just created. This file is pretty simple. It's just a plane with a texture on it. Let's move it a bit away from the camera. So as you can see, it's just a basic geometry on which I have applied a 2D image, a 2D texture as a PNG format without background. So I just used Photoshop to just cut the sky. And I applied this texture to this plane inside my modeling tool. So what I can do with that now is that I can just place this plane wherever I want inside my project. Of course, right now it's a bit too small. So I will select my scale gizmo and just scale a bit my plane. And now I can just place my plane wherever I want inside my project. So let's move it a bit away from the camera. And let's now actually place down the camera. This camera is just going to change a few things. Look, for example, the focal of the camera. Don't really need the depth of field, maybe just more vignetting. So as you can see here, it kind of do the trick. I can have my background, I can have my mountain on the background over here. Let's just double check on the scene organizer. Just call up the hierarchy over here. So here I have just the file that I just imported, my background. What I can also do is duplicate my object. Just turn it in the other way and just maybe give it more depth so it enter a bit more inside the ocean, faking like that this project is in front of a lake, for example. So this is just a really quick tips where you can add some image in the background of your project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow us for more content and see you for the next one. Bye everyone!